ने एनुअल फंड रेजिंग कार्यक्रम के दौरान म्यूजिकल इवनिंग का आयोजन किया, जहां भारी संख्या में शिरकत कर लोग जुड़े एक नेक मकसद से। ये संस्था जरूरतमंद बच्चों की मदद के लिए ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स का आयोजन करती चली आ रही है।
बॉलीवुड के एवरग्रीन गानों का जादू शिकागो में चला, जब लोगों को सुनने को मिले भारतीय सिनेमा के बेहतरीन नगमे। नजारा था जब एकल विद्यालय ने म्यूजिकल इवनिंग एनुअल फंड रेजिंग कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया, जहां लोग भारी संख्या में शामिल हुए, लेकिन एक नेक मकसद के लिए।
Ekal has done such a wonderful holding a Ekal conference in Chicago with a Vivekananda 150th birthday celebration. We have taken the movement to the next step, which is reaching our 100,000 goal. And to reach the goal, we have to move fast. Our goal is to reach 2,000 before the end of the year, and this is our march going on fast.
Ekal is going to bring the Garba this year, so we can mix everybody, north, south, and especially the youth. We want youth to be participate in Ekal movement.
एकल विद्यालय के इन प्रयासों की सभी कलाकारों ने की तारीफ और कहा कि देते रहेंगे इस संस्था का साथ।
We are very thankful for the Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation because we are proud to be the part of the Ekal Vidyalaya, as our audience was enjoying a lot. So we took the songs like that. I mean from old songs, new songs, and so we gave each and every flavor. And even we salute to our Mother India and even for Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation.
My job was to keep all the audience, engrossed, and we feel proud to be a part of Ekal movement, but by encouraging all the volunteers, not only volunteers but all the audiences, our effort is to maximize the schools, by we use all the techniques that because it's a very big thing, to contribute with just $1 a day. You can make a very big difference to all the tribal children out there, and with me being just a part of this movement, it's this is my contribution. I contributed like this. Okay, we perform, we woo the audience, we try to bring up donors, so that the numbers can increase day by, because all the people here, the volunteers, we salute each of them doing voluntary services. That's a very big thing, in spite of all the schedules that they have been from working, doing all the they are busy in their jobs and everything, but still they find time to arrange such a big program, the good show with lot of donors here. They bring them here into this hall, and it's just a normal thing for us, to just tell them, okay, fine, you can just donate.
यहाँ आए हुए लोगों ने भारतीय गीतों का जितना आनंद लिया, उतना ही इस आयोजन की तारीफ। एकल विद्यालय संस्था की कोशिशें देना चाहती है भारत को उज्जवल भविष्य, जिसका मानना है कि हर बच्चा हो सुरक्षित और मिले उसे अपना अधिकार, जिसके चलते ये संस्था भारत देश के हर गरीब बच्चे की एजुकेशन के लिए हर संभव प्रयास कर रही है।
संगीत का ऐसा ही सुंदर